how to fill out Form 205 LLC Texas. So let's dive in. In the first page, Article 1, Entity Name and Type. Line, the name of the entity is, write the full name of your LLC, including LLC, LLC, Limited Liability Company, or LTD. Code example, Blue Sky Wellness, LLC. Article 2, Registered Agent and Registered Office. You must choose either A or B, not both. Line A, the initial registered agent is an organization. If you hired a registered agent service, write that company's name here. Example, Texas Registered Agent LLC. Line B, the initial registered agent is an individual resident. If your registered agent is a person, write their full legal name, first, middle initial, last, and suffix if needed. Line C, the business address of the registered agent and the registered office address is, enter the Texas physical street address, no P.O. boxes. Example, 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas, 78701. Article 3, Governing Authority. You must pick either A or B, depending on how your LLC will be managed. Option A, LLC has managers. If your LLC will be managed by managers, select this and list each manager's full name and mailing address. Option B, LLC has no managers, member managed. If your LLC will be run by the owners, members, select this and list the name and address of each initial member. You must provide at least one name and address. Example, first name, Sarah, last name, Johnson, address, 456 Elm Avenue, Dallas, Texas, 78701, USA. Repeat for up to 3 governing persons if needed. Next, Article 4, Purpose. This section already has the standard general business clause filled in. You can leave this as is unless you want to state a specific purpose. Initial mailing address. Line, mailing address, city, state, zip code, country. Enter where you want state tax mail sent. This can be a P.O. box or physical address. Example, P.O. Box 1234, Houston, Texas 78701, USA. Supplemental provisions or information. Leave this blank, unless you want to add custom rules, like a specific duration for your LLC or special provisions. Then, organizer line. Name. Write the name of the organizer, person forming the LLC. Can be you or someone else helping with setup. Line, street or mailing address, city, state, zip code. Enter the address of the organizer. Example, Jordan Smith, 789 Oak Street, San Antonio, Texas, 78205. Effectiveness of filing. Pick only one option. Option A, select this if you want the LLC to be effective as soon as the form is filed, which is most common. Option B, choose this if you want the LLC to start on a specific future date, no more than 90 days out. Option C, choose this only if you want the LLC to become effective upon a specific event, which is rare. Must describe the event and include a 90-day fallback date. Execution, signature. Line, date. Write today's date. Line, signature of organizer. Sign your name here. Line, printed or typed name of organizer. Print your name clearly here, and there you go. It's done. So, now what? You need to pay the filling fee, which is $300. How to file? You can file it online. Use SOS Upload. https://direct.sos.state.tx.us/lf/index.aspx. Also, by mail. Sent to P.O. Box 13697, Austin, Texas 78711-3697. You can file also in person. Delivered to 1019 Brazos Street, Austin, Texas 78701.